Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Well, first of all, my name is Aloy Mako. I'm one of the councillors to Martin Nandikan. This whole thing is straightforward. As far back as 13 July 2021, that's like barely 2 weeks after Martin Nandikan was illegally.
I will fight you. You know what made I post this video? PG.
Okay.
Manage it the way you can. Just manage.
Okay.
What? What's happening for court today?
Well, what's happening for court today? Be say, court talk and say they will do this case, free sham, batakba, on September 14 because they know get time when they go take right the judgment they do and today. But you see, the thing where they happen, they say this judgment where they go give, even people already they will get idea the thing where that judgment will be. It cannot be any other way. Because if you look at my tweets, on 13 July for 2021, after 2 weeks, they went them bring Mazin Nandikan illegally into the country. I made it clear, I took a position, say the thing when they do, I'm not extradition. The thing when they do, the extraordinary rendition. And today, now that extraordinary rendition, I ain't see there for Supreme Court. So our hope, we say, with all this delay where they occur, on that 14 September when they come, the Supreme Court agree with that position. Why it take almost 2 years ago, say this thing extraordinary rendition. The extraordinary rendition no be extradition. And person way suffer this kind of thing. You know if you try and you know if you detain them, you no get choice than to let them go. That's what happened.
So when we come on the 14th now waiting we go they look, where we go they expect?
Well, the thing we say the court will do what is called definite hearing. That means say every lawyer for one side and the other side, they will get up, adopt all the processes where they don't file, come do small oral argument. Then the court will come now, retire inside, go think about the case before they come give judgment within 90 days.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, this is Mazima Rubuna. We are reporting live from Aftee. So, sir.
Okay, you want me to speak in English? Okay.
Yes, you have to speak in English. So, because people are watching.
All over now.
Okay.
They filed and served us the appellate brief, amended appellate brief, which was 53 pages. Then we discovered that that's above the threshold of number of pages briefs being filed in front of Supreme Court we contend. We have to raise that observation with them, and they quickly amended and filed a 40-page argument. Serve on us on Thursday. So apparently, the one they serve on us on Thursday is regular one. So as of Thursday, they serve us with the amended appellate brief. Their time, they are out of time. But that notwithstanding, we filed our responded brief and also served them within the time given by the Supreme Court. So that was on Tuesday morning. Then today, they filed a motion for extension of time within which to regularize their own appellate brief, which was also deemed regular today. And I don't think they have reason to file a reply brief because issues they raised in their appellate brief, they raised 7 issues for determination. And we dropped issues on those issues they raised. We only responded to the issue. We didn't introduce new issues to issues they raised. However, we have an objection which was incorporated in our brief, challenging the competency of the appeal and also notice of appeal they filed. So these are not a separate document that's incorporated in our brief. However, Supreme Court is of the view that they will not be shut out, so that they will be obliged for that time to respond. They were, however, handicapped by the fact that even if they take any application today, be it bail application or motion or even the briefs, the appeal, they cannot be able to deliver ruling on any of this application or even judgment within 90 days, which is the threshold provided under the Constitution. So, and also considering the fact that their docket is full, they now have to adjourn the matter to September 14th, 2023 for hearing. But principally, the conduct of the federal government, their inability to file their appellate brief within time, and their inability to respond to to our respondent brief by way of reply brief was actually what started the proceeding. Because had it been the file that reply brief yesterday or 2 days ago, at least by today the appeal would have been taken and adjourned, probably reserved for judgment. So, however, the Supreme Court also indicated interest to here we have a second appeal, which was an appeal filed against the other state institution of the Court of Appeal. It's also coming up on same 14 for hearing. So we know, just as the next silk, our leader listening council said, that the federal government can only run but cannot hide. So we get to that place. It's a function of time. Justice can be delayed but cannot be denied. So I implore us to remain calm and also be focused. We have gotten to the end of the game. This is Supreme Court. After here, we're not going to any record. Let it be clear to everybody that Martin Nnamdi Kanu today is not standing trial for any offense because the charges preferred against him has been struck out by the Court of Appeal, and he has been discharged and acquitted. So he's being detained today by the order of the Court of Appeal, which stayed the execution of judgment of the Court of Appeal that freed him. So we believe that this is the last place, this is the last hope of the common man. We are Supreme Court, just as they indicated today, that we should not worry that we'll get to it. The appeal has now been fixed for hearing, both appeals. Both appeal will file against the other state institution, and the appeal filed by the federal government is also coming up for hearing on the 14th of September, 2023. Don't forget that our lead counsel pressed them to hear the motion, which was also right for hearing today, because we have joined issue with federal government on that part. They said that they cannot be able to hear it because it's not a function of hearing the application. It's a function of delivering ruling within 90 days. And remember that by July or thereabouts, or June or July, they will be going on vacation, annual vacation. So, and they said they will definitely hear this matter on September 14th, 2023. Certainly. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir, thank you very much. We were in the court and Professor Zokime was pressing for the release or a better transfer of our leader to Kuje prison. And the judges stood their grounds not to grant him that appeal. So what do you have to say about
we have two pending applications. We call it motion. One, motion for bail. Two, and motion for transfer from DSS facility to Kuje. So these application issues have been joined. What I mean by issues have been joined, that the federal government has filed a counter affidavit challenging our application, and we responded. So what he was actually telling the court is to hear that application for transfer in view of the fact that if he's in Kuje, you receive adequate medical attention and will be able to attend to his health. But here, he's been restricted, and DSS has no such medical facility to attend to his deteriorating health condition. That's actually the essence of his appeal to the Supreme Court to hear it. The Supreme Court told us they are handicapped on the second side by virtue of their dockets too, by virtue of the fact that even if they take the education, they cannot be able to deliver ruling because they are going on vacation within 90 days. That was the essence of what transpired.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Sorry, sir. Final, what should Biafra expect come September 2020?
The fact is that we are here for justice. And as my learned self, the lead counsel for the defense, stated clearly, unequivocally, that federal government can only run but they cannot hide. And of course, we are here on a very good note because Nnamdi Kanu has been discharged and acquitted. As I speak today, there is no charge hanging on his neck. So what Biafrans expect from Supreme Court on 14th is nothing but justice. And I believe most strongly that we'll get justice in Supreme Court and Onyedu Mazinan can be freed. Unconditionally. Thank you so much.
Two motions pending before the court. One is motion to have Onyedu transferred from DSS custody to the custody of the Kuje Correctional Facility, and the other motion is to make an application, move the court to grant him bail pending the final determination of the appeal. But the court, in its wisdom, and because of the opportunity that the parties requested to file additional processes, adjourned the matter to 14th September, despite the fact that this matter could have been had today. The court said that even if he hears the court today, he hears the matter today, he will not have the time to write the judgment. within 90 days as required by the Constitution. So the matter was accordingly adjourned 14th September for definite hearing. So meaning on that 14th September, this appeal will be concluded substantively and all the ancillary motions will be disposed of and judgment rendered.
Okay, on the 14th of September is the final judgment. That is what
final
hearing. Yes. Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is Mazimano Obonna reporting live for Ultimate Viewers.
Thank you. And with me here is Mazimano Obonna's in-law evangelist Dozie Anyanwu, and this is Rabbi
Daniel,
Jewish leader.
Okay.
So we are happy to be here to show solidarity with Oyenduma and Nambika. We are happy that the matter did not proceed today as we expected.
Okay. Thank you very much. Please share as you watch.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.